Hey guys, welcome to yet another tutorial video, and in this detailed video we will be comparing Claude Code and the Windows PowerShell. So a lot of people get this particular comparison wrong. They ask me which is better, using the Windows PowerShell or using the Claude Code. So comparing the Claude Code and the PowerShell CLI is like comparing an autopilot system to a steering wheel, or what we can say, it is like a toolbox versus tool comparison. So Claude Code is an AI agent that uses a shell to work for you, while PowerShell is the shell or engine that executes those commands. So in this video, we will be going through all of the definitions between both and what exactly happens when you run the Claude Code CLI on your Windows PowerShell. So first we will understand the fundamental difference. So if we talk about Claude Code, so the Claude Code is an autonomous CLI agent from Anthropic, whereas PowerShell is a cross-platform task automation solution made of a command line shell. So what here you see right now is the Windows PowerShell. So it is a scripting language and a configuration management framework. So within this framework, we run the Claude code by typing in the command, that is Claude, and we hit the enter button. And within this environment, the Claude code runs. So let me also open another instance of the PowerShell without the Claude code. So let me simply run it as administrator and type in my pin. And now you can see that we have two instances now. The first one is the Claude code, whereas the other one is the normal PowerShell. So you can see this is the normal Claude code and this is the normal PowerShell. And now I will show you how you can in use the Claude code in order to work onto the PowerShell. So for example, I have this simple command right here. So this particular command, what it does is that it finds the config related files in a particular location. So let's say if I have a large project and I wish to find all of the configuration files within that project, I will need to type this particular command. I will need to remember the exact syntax, the wordings for this command. And then when I hit the enter button, you can see that this is the output it has given me. But whereas with Claude Code, what I'm going to do is simply type in any particular command. So for example, let's say instead of this, I can simply type in this particular action, that is find any files that looks like config files in this project. So let's say if I simply type in this particular prompt to Claude in plain English language, it can also do the same for me as well. Now currently it says run login because of any unauthentication issues. So if this happens, you can simply type in the login and try again. So let me quickly do that. Okay, so after logging in, I have typed the prompt again, which is a very simple prompt, that is to find any files that looks like config files in this project. And now you can see that it is currently searching for patterns. So you can see that while it is quite slow, you do not need to remember all of these commands, and it will give you the almost the same results like the normal terminal. Now you will need to allow the command execution, and once the command execution is done, you can simply see all of the files listed within the same. So one thing in which the Windows PowerShell excels is the speed that it offers, since it is directly happening inside the system itself. There is no script that is being written or executed. So how both of these work together is that on Windows, Claude Code has traditionally relied on Git Bash for its operations because the agent was originally optimized for Unix style environment. However, it can now be integrated directly with PowerShell, like we did in our previous videos, where I have demonstrated how we can install it. So the Claude Code versus native PowerShell comparison stands as follows. For the primary goal, the Claude Code accomplish high-level coding goals like like typing in simple commands like find any files or fix this bug, whereas PowerShell automates specific system tasks via logic and commandlets. Now, if we talk about agency, then the Claude code is purely autonomous. It chooses what commands to run and reviews the output, whereas Windows PowerShell is manual, or we can say procedural, as it only does exactly what we tell it to do. Now, for the language support, we can obviously see that Claude supports natural language like English, whereas PowerShell supports scripting language, which is also called PS1. For the part of context, we can say that Claude Code has context, it understands your whole folder or project, whereas Windows PowerShell is limited to a specific environment, session, or state. And apart from that, we can finally say that the Claude Code is best for multi-file refactors, debugging, and building apps from scratch, whereas PowerShell takes the absolute win when it comes to registry edits, .NET objects, and Windows-specific system admin, and also speed. So you can see this was the fair comparison between the Windows PowerShell and the Claude Code. The Claude Code, while being powerful, is still taking a lot of time for such a simple request, whereas the Windows PowerShell did it within minutes. So the convenience may not always be the fastest method. So this is one thing that one must remember, especially while comparing these two, as both of these cannot be compared. These are Windows PowerShell is the one which is leveraged by Claude Code in order to run and operate in your native machine. So being said that, I'll be signing off. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.